Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best gas cooktops that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Empava 30-inch gas stove cooktop, black tempered glass. It is true that while deciding to pick the best gas cooktop, performance and strength are the prime aspects to focus on. This is one of the best cooktops on our list. It comes with a 2-year warranty and one of the top qualities for reliable use for years. You can rely on its quality because this 5-burner gas cooktop is found out to be an award-winning kitchen gadget. It is manufactured and engineered in the USA. It has a 2-year warranty. LPG, inconvertible, which delivers the same maximum BTU power to propane and natural gas cooktops. It works manually without electricity. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Cosmo VAS 950M stainless steel gas cooktop. Designed meticulously to perform as per the customer's expectations and meet their typical needs. This gas cooktop presents a total of 5 gas burners. With the help of these burners, you are facilitated to cook from extreme heat for frying, broiling, or searing to a reduced sear for preparing the delicate sauces. This cooktop presents you with accurate control, which is a demand of an expert cook. Its stainless steel body design permits you to rest this gadget flat on any countertop. In this way, your kitchen would appear sleek and modern. Basically, it is easy to manage and easy to clean cooktop equipped with a stainless steel body. At number 3, we have the GE Cafe CGU 366 SCHSS 36 inches gas rangetop. The sealed burner cooktop from GE Cafe highlights an elegant design accompanied by a highly durable stainless steel body. This cooktop comes with many appealing features including deep recessed design, reversible burner grates, dual flame stacked burners, edge-to-edge grates, and electronic ignition. Its burners are of a dual flame stacked type, and this provides appropriate heat access to all the food dishes you cook. The cooktop's burner grates are found to be reversible. Therefore, you can easily alter the side on a frequent basis to enhance life. At number 2, we have the Thorkitchen Pro Style Gas Rangetop. Gradually becoming a preferred brand among the customer, you can pick this gas cooktop from the brand without any doubt on its use. The overall look of this kitchen gadget is amazing and works in an exceptional way. Its control knobs are placed on the front side, and this type of arrangement protects them from different kinds of kitchen accidents. There is the inclusion of a porcelain drip container to streamline your cooking experience. Basically, it is a 6-sealed burner that consists of 2 single burners, a dual burner, and 3 single burners. And finally, at number 1, we have the Empava 30 inches built-in gas cooktop in stainless steel with 5 burners 30XGC5B70C. This is an Empava product that comes with high proficiency and convenience. It is ensured with the help of fixed burners installed in this cooktop. The product has a sleek look with a design that requires minimal cleaning without any hassles. Moreover, the price is very much affordable with the top quality that it is given. It is designed and manufactured in the USA. Additionally, it comes with a 2-year warranty for an exceptional quality Empava stovetop. With the LPG, inconvertibility, it delivers the same maximum BTU power to propane and natural gas cooktops. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.